poetry, poesy, 诗歌艺术 poet, poet, 诗人verse, verset, 民谣诗节 poem, poem, 诗Dictation. Get a pencil and paper ready. She loves reading, writing, and poetry, so she became an English teacher. She loves reading, writing, and poetry, so she became an English teacher. 她喜欢读书、写作和诗歌，所以她当了一名英语教师。The poet's poems have remarkable depths. The poet's poems have remarkable depths. 这位诗人的诗非常有深度。A verse from Psalms knifed into Pug's mind. Put not your trust in princes. A verse from Psalms knifed into Pug's mind. Put not your trust in princes. 诗篇里有一句话闪过帕格的脑海：不要相信王侯。Did you get anything right? Please subscribe. You can get more.